In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. Blocking pop-ups helps prevent unwanted windows from appearing while you browse and improves your overall browsing experience. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and click Pop-ups and Redirects. Under Default Behavior, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Chrome saves the change automatically. If you've previously allowed pop-ups for certain websites, scroll down to the Allowed to Send Pop-ups and Use Redirects section. Click the three dots next to any website you no longer want to allow, then choose Remove or Block. If unwanted pop-ups continue to appear, open the Extensions page by clicking the three-dot menu, selecting Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Remove any suspicious or unwanted extensions that may be causing pop-up ads. That's how to disable pop-ups in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.